Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Here are 5 of our easy, simple nail art designs that we have put together for you. So let's begin with flowers. Using Garden Party and your dotting tool, place 5 dots next to each other in a circular position, finishing off with one in the centre. Make sure each dot touches one another so that you end with a solid flower. Cure for 30 seconds. Using whiteout and your dotting tool, place a small dot in the centre of your flower. Cure for 10 seconds. Hearts. Easy and fun. Using red sass and your dotting tool, place 2 dots next to each other to create the top half of a heart. Using your thin nail art brush, pull the gel polish down to create the point of the heart and fill it in. Cure for 30 seconds. Here I've used shimmer top coat. Swirl tips. Using Shimmer Me Timbers and your gel nail polish brush, paint a swirl along the tip of your nail and cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy up your swirl if needed. Cure for 30 seconds. This is a great alternative to the classic French tip. My favourite look, stars. Using blackout and your dotting tool, place 2 dots on both sides of the nail. Using your thin nail art brush, paint 2 long lines from the centre outwards. Paint the inner 2 lines shorter. Keeping the polish on your brush minimal will help keep your lines thin. Cure for 30 seconds. To create a big star, paint a dot in the centre of your nail. Using your thin nail art brush, paint 2 long lines from the centre outwards. Paint the inner 2 lines shorter. Paint short extra lines in between. Using silver lining in your dotting tool, place a small dot in the centre of your stars to give it a bit of sparkle. Cure for 10 seconds. The perfect look on top of a sheer base. Last but not least, swirls. Using Heartbreaker and your thin nail art brush, paint swirls across your nails, alternating the size of your swirls. If needed, go over your swirls once it's cured. Cure for 30 seconds. You can make swirls more fun by alternating with different colours. Thanks for watching!